Ever wonder why some videos rack up millions of views while others barely get noticed? It's not just luck. There's a science behind going viral, and today, I'm breaking down 8 proven techniques that top creators use to explode their views. Let's dive in. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, TikToks, or Instagram Reels, the key to virality is capturing attention and holding it. These 8 techniques will help you create videos that people can't stop watching, sharing, and engaging with. The first few seconds make or break your video. If you don't grab attention instantly, people scroll away. Use a curiosity-driven hook that makes viewers need to keep watching. Example, instead of saying, "Here's how to get rich," say, "This one mistake is keeping you broke." You can also use bold statements like, "You won't believe what happened when I tried this," or 99% of people are doing this wrong. People get bored fast. That's why pattern interrupts are a game changer. These are unexpected elements, sound effects, emojis, and quick edits to keep the video dynamic. Change scenes or camera angles every 3 to 5 seconds to maintain engagement. Example, MrBeast constantly changes shots, adds sound effects, and speeds up footage to keep the energy high. Virality isn't just about clicks, it's about holding attention. The best way? A story arc that keeps people watching till the end. Use the open loop technique. Start a story, but delay the resolution. Example, something crazy happened on my last trip to Dubai. But first, let me explain how I got there. This makes people stick around because they want to know what happens next. The most shared videos tap into strong emotions like, "Surprise, this shocked me." Fear, "This is the biggest mistake you can make." Inspiration, "This will change your life forever." Humor, people love sharing funny videos. If your content makes people laugh, cry, or feel inspired, they're way more likely to share it. Watch time is everything. The longer people watch, the more the algorithm pushes your video. Here's how to hack watch time. Tease something exciting at the end. Stick around because I'm revealing the secret at the end. Use on-screen text that says, "Wait for it," to keep curiosity alive. Don't give everything away too soon. Build up the tension. People's attention spans are shorter than ever. Slow, boring videos don't go viral. Keep your energy high. Talk faster, use excitement in your voice, and cut out any dead space. Fast cuts, zoom-ins, and motion graphics keep things visually engaging. Example, TikTok videos that go viral often have fast-paced, high-energy delivery. People share videos that make them look smart, informational content. Are relatable, "This is so me," are shocking or mind-blowing, are funny, memes and jokes spread like wildfire. Ask yourself, would someone want to send this to a friend? If yes, you're on the right track. A viral video doesn't just end, it calls viewers to action. But instead of a boring like and subscribe, use a creative CTA like, "If this made you think, share it with a friend. Comment yes, if you agree. Follow now because my next video is even crazier." Make it fun, simple, and engaging. There you have it, 8 techniques that will help you create viral videos. From curiosity hooks to high-energy editing, these are the same strategies top creators use to blow up online. Which technique are you going to try first? Drop a comment below. And if you want more viral video secrets, hit that follow button because I've got even more insane strategies coming soon.